Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add an announcement bar to your Shopify print-on-demand business website. So it's actually super easy to do. You just go in here to online store, edit theme, and an announcement bar can be really convenient for things like this. So mine says free shipping over $25. So yours could be like buy two, get one free, whatever your deal is. Putting an announcement there for free is really nice and easy to do. So all you do is you go into this add section and you add rich text. So you'll have it over here, rich text like that. So then once you have the rich text added, you can just go over here to edit the settings. So mine, I wanted the content to be centered, content aligned centered. I can pick those colors or I can edit my color scheme. I can choose for it to be full width or partial width. I like it there and change that. Now, one of the things you need to do is go in here to the text and just edit that because it's going to be by default have like a header and all of those things. So you just want to delete the headers and everything and just leave the text. And then to move it into place, you just simply drag and drop it. So you grab it over here and you can move it and you'll see your website like that. You can move your rich text elements to exactly where you want them on the page. And that's it. So that's how you add an announcement bar to your site.